In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up sales sequence in Freshsales. Sales sequences help you automate follow-ups, so leads are contacted consistently and nothing falls through the cracks. If you want your outreach to feel organized and timely, setting up a sales sequence in Freshsales is a great place to start. In this walkthrough, you will create a sequence, define the first step, and then save and start it so it begins running for the right contacts. To begin, look at the top area of your Freshsales interface. Find the plus icon located there. Click the plus icon to open the menu where you can create new items. This is usually the gateway to any new workflow you want to build, so you will want to make sure you are clicking the plus at the top of the page, not a smaller option somewhere else. Once the menu appears, the next action is to choose the option that creates a sales sequence. Click Create Sales Sequence. As you select this, Freshsales will typically bring you into the setup screen, where you define the details of your sequence. Taking this step now matters because it ensures you are working in the correct builder for sequences, not some other automation tool. Now that you are in the sequence setup area, you will need to enter a name and select the sequence type. Enter a name that clearly describes what the sequence is for, such as a type of lead stage or a specific outreach goal. Then select the sequence type from the available options. The sequence type helps determine how the sequence behaves and what kinds of steps you can include. After you choose these settings, you are ready to define what will happen first in the sequence. Next, you will add your first action. Click Add Step to define your first action, such as an email. This is where you decide how you want to start the outreach. When you click Add Step, Freshsales will open step options, and you can choose the action you want, like sending an email or other available step types depending on your account setup. Take a moment to choose the correct action, because the first step sets the tone and timing for everything that follows. After selecting the action, you will configure the template and timing settings. This is an important part because the template controls the message content, and timing controls when the message is sent relative to the sequence start. Configure the template by selecting or defining the email template you want to use for this first step. Then set the timing based on the delay that you want before this action occurs. For example, you might set it so the first email sends immediately after the sequence starts, or after a short waiting period. Make sure the timing matches your outreach strategy and your expectations for lead response times. Once the template and timing are set, take a quick moment to review what you have created so far. You want to confirm the sequence name is correct, the sequence type is correct, and the first step is configured the way you intend. This small review helps you avoid mistakes that could affect multiple leads once the sequence begins running. When everything looks right, click Save and Start. Saving ensures your configuration is stored properly, and starting begins the sequence automation according to your rules. Depending on your settings, the sequence may start applying to the eligible contacts as soon as it is activated. After you click Save and Start, you can generally return to see the sequence status and confirm it is running. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.